guys, welcome back. So today's review is going to be on the Miss Claire soft lip creams. I know I'm kind of late on these reviews, but I've got 3 of them. I got them from the beauty center in Kandivali, Mumbai, and I didn't really see too many options. The lip creams, I think there were like 5-6 shades available, and I thought these 3 would be suiting me the best and I would be wearing them. I just didn't want to stock up something which I wouldn't wear. So I have these 3 lip colors. It's in the number 7, 10 and 12. I haven't heard a lot about them. I mean, cheap and good color selection, and they're matte. So I thought I'll give them a try. So the packaging looks like this. It has a matte cover. It's like pretty, very nice, soft, I don't know how it's called, but it's very matte, and the packaging looks like this. But I think the colors don't do really justice to them. I mean, they look like these, but they're not exact the same color, if you know what I mean. And they retail for 150 bucks, 150 Indian rupees. Their shelf life is for 3 years, which is a good thing, I believe. And the packaging is exactly like the NYX creams. Texture wise, I think the NYX lip creams are better, obviously, but these are not bad. But them on my lips and on my wrist. So let's start with the lighter shade. This is 07. Okay. So this is 07, and they do not really have any lip color name, so they are just numbers. It says it's not lipstick, nor it's gloss, it's nothing. It's like nothing you have experienced before. It's lip cream that goes on silky but looks soft matte. So I will be swatching the first shade first. So let's see. It comes with this kind of a wand, which is actually easy on the go. And the swatch for 07 is this. Now I find them very gritty. I don't know if it's just my lip colors, because out of 3, the one I have, this is the 10. This is still little cream texture, but the other 2 have got a little gritty. I don't know if it's just my lip creams that are like these, but yeah. So I will be swatching. So this is a swatch for the first color, that is 07. So this is just one swatch layer. I'll put the second coat. So it looks like this. These are not very opaque. I don't find them very opaque or anything. It's see, I think I would need one more layer to, you know, actually for the color to like show. On my lips, I can still see the pigmentation on my lips, so it's not very opaque. You need at least 2-3 coats of this lip creams, and as I said, it's a little gritty. It's not very smooth application. It could be just my lip cream that way, but it's soft, it's creamy, and it dries out to be matte. So this is how it looks. This is the first shade. So let's go for the second shade. The second shade is 12, the number 12. It's a little darker than that. It is a close dupe of Flat Out Fabulous in MAC, I would say. A close dupe. I mean, not exactly, but a close dupe. Looks like this. I think the dark is more opaque, if I can say that. But the lighter colors, you really need to have work on them. Like, you have to put 2-3 coats easily. Let's see. This looks like this on my skin tone. Okay, so this color is something I would want to wear it like quite often, maybe. Pretty wearable color. Let's go on to the next shade. Number 10. berry color, though it looks very red. Wait, I'll show you. Though it looks very red, it's a berry color. Looks like this. Looks red, but let's see how it looks on my lips. Out of the three colors, this is the most, you know, the application of this is the smoothest because it's little liquidy, as in creamy, but not as creamy as them, not gritty at all. So let's see how it goes. One coat up my mouth area, I mean all those colors. So this is how it looks. It looks skin coat. So this is quite opaque because obviously it's a darker color. As I said, the darker colors are kind of opaque rather than the lighter colors. So this is how it looks on my skin. Not bad. So the final verdict. These are the three colors. This is 07, this is 12, and this is 10. Now I picked them up because I thought they would look better. I mean, you know, out of the collection, out of the things they had in the store, I thought these three colors will be the colors which I will reach out to. So these are the three colors. Out of these three, I like the red color because I think it's more wearable. But I do not love these lip colors, you know. I mean, it's very good for 150 bucks. So maybe, you know, if you're on a budget, or if you're a school, if you're a college student and you want to have a collection of different colors, maybe, so this will be a great buy because for 150 bucks, you know, you can actually have so many colors in a particular budget you have. But I sincerely don't love this. I mean, this is something, okay, I might wear it once in a while, or maybe I don't know, maybe every day if those mauve colors or this red colors once in a while, but I don't really love them. I mean, it smells of vanilla, like vanilla cream, raspberry vanilla cream, kind of similar to the NYX creams, but not as strong as that. It goes away when you apply it actually. And apart from that, it has a shelf life of 3 years, which is good enough. I mean, you can just have it in your stash and, you know, use it whenever you want. So it's a great buy for the college students or people who are in a budget and want to have a collection of lipsticks, who love wearing different colors. But personally, you can go for it actually. It's not that bad. But personally, I love my MAC lipsticks and I'll stick to them. So this was a good try, and I would be using these three colors because I've bought them and they're not bad at all. I don't really have anything more to say. You can decide for yourself if you're on a budget. If you want to buy a lipstick for 150 bucks, the quality is very good compared to a 150 rupees matte lip cream, which is like impossible to find in India, but that way it's a very good thing. And these are the three swatches. You can see it again, 07 and 12, and this is the 10 number. I just wanted to help you out with the shades here. And it's a very good, it is matte, it stays on your lips for a very long time. You eat, you drink, it doesn't really budge. Obviously, if you have oily stuff, it's going to go away. But apart from that, it's a good everyday wear lipsticks, I think, lip creams. So yeah, so until then, bye bye.